This is also the first day that the exhibit hall opened up. So if you're not familiar with these types of conferences, the exhibit hall features pretty much the latest technology, the latest products that are used in disaster preparedness and recovery. And we see and talk to people from around the state of Florida and the nation that have these products that help out when it comes to disaster preparedness, getting ready for a hurricane, or helping out for disaster recovery. So again, that was day two. Exhibit hall opened up. We talked to hurricane experts, but I did have a chance to catch up with one local guy. He's right out of Tampa. He has a product that Palm Beach County uses when it comes to preparing for a hurricane, and it really came in handy when it came to tracking and disaster recovery for the Hurricane Milton tornadoes.
For Palm Beach County, the Palm Beach Sheriff's Office uses it, the Hospital Coalition uses it, the hospitals in Palm Beach County use it. So what happens is they're better prepared ahead of time with all their planning, but if something does happen, they have the ability to communicate, to direct the activities, to get the answers back in, so they provide better information for better decision making, much faster, much easier.
And that helps out you, quite honestly, the resident, because when everyone can communicate and be on the same page and be on the same platform like they use in Palm Beach County, it's faster to prepare and dispatch emergency officials to where they need to be. So at the end of the day, this product based from Tampa, Palm Beach County uses it, and they used it during the Milton tornadoes. It actually helps out you when it comes to disaster preparedness and recovery. So some cool things coming out of the exhibit hall. Tomorrow is going to be all about it. I'm going to take a deeper dive when it comes to the exhibit hall coming up tomorrow. But